Hey guys, 1213 Gaming / Entertainment here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you around Roblox. Roblox. I like Roblox. But yeah, I'm just gonna really just have a look at Roblox, and I thought I'd bring you on the journey. Yay! I derped out. I like to derp out. Anyway, first of all, I'm just going to show you my avatar. Come on, load. And here is my avatar. That was it in 2D. Here's it in 3D. Looks epic, doesn't it? Now, wait, let me put it back to 2D. Wait, no, let me put it back to 3D. Well, okay, so this bird is something special because I got it through codes. Yeah, I got it through codes. The code is tweet ROBLOX. That is the code. I think the first T is a capital and the first R is a capital. So if you put in tweet ROBLOX in the codes, you get the little birdie. I'm a little birdie. I'm a bird. Tweet tweet. Hello. As you can see, number of friends. I'm not a very popular person. 4. Wait, I just thought of something. I just thought of an idea. Is there someone called 4 in player? No, 4. Is there? If there is, oh my god. Phew. That would be a cringy. Is there someone called 444? Oh my gosh, there is! Oh my gosh, that's insane! Okay, I am also not very rich. I have lots of Robux. 3. Lots and lots of Robux. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's just, okay, there you go. My name is Ultimate Blue. No! Oh my gosh, I control my name! Put it in. Oh my gosh. Lol. I think Roblox lolled out. Yeah, that's insane. Anyway, so I'm the most popular person on Roblox. Yep, perfect. The most popular person on Roblox. Wait, I'm wondering, can you guys even hear me? I wonder. Okay. Yeah, you can guys. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? I think you can. So, this is a fellow YouTuber. He doesn't really upload anymore. He likes to, yeah, you can't tell. He has a bullseye. He has a bullseye inside his bone. Look at that face. That's so cool. Why is your head so big? I just realized that. Coo. A bull is a type of coo, right? Coo. And only Scots people will get that. But yeah, it says COO as in coo. Luigi 701. Him. And then his name is on YouTube. I'm pretty sure it's something around the lines of Luigi 700. Yeah, it's Luigi 700. Check him out. He's a good friend of mine. So yeah, go check him out. This is one of his this is his second account. I just look at this. I just look at this. Wait, let's have a look. Who are his friends? Me! I am his only friend! Wow, I feel sad for him. Here is also a that's not a fellow YouTuber, but it's a good friend. I'll tell him I'm a YouTuber. No. Can I replace this? No. I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna say to him. Wait. I am making a YouTube video. YouTube. There you go. Okay, I'm making a YouTube video! Exclamation mark times infinity. That's a lot of too many exclamation marks. That's sad. What? Wait, I need to. I have BC. I has BC. I has DBC. Well, I have OBC. Guessed. That's funny. Basically, I only technically have 2 friends on Roblox. Because this guy has a second account, and it's this guy, and this guy has about 7 million accounts, and one of them is this guy. So I technically only have 2 friends. I hate my life, my Robloxian life. Anyway, read about my now. Read my about now. What am I now? Me confused. Anyway, if we go searching defenders in groups. I need to fix this. No. This is unacceptable. Groups. Will it show up with the groups that I'm in? I'm in multiple groups. This cannot be. Roblox. No. Don't do this, Roblox. It should show the... Here. There we go. I'm already in the group. Join group. Members. Where? What? Where? No. I'm sure that I'm part. Anyway, never mind. The co-owner. That's this guy. Ginger Robot. Shout out to you, Ginger Robot. TDD messaging. I feel like that's another one of Ginger Robot's accounts. Anyway, the ruler of the group is Lodoma. Wait, are you online? Are you seriously online, Lodominer? I like to call him Lodo. What game are you playing? Is it because I'm not your friend on Roblox? How dare you unfriend me? Why do you have a cat tail? I like it. I like your costume. Except for the cat tail. That part, I don't understand. Anyway, you have the same hair as me. It's free. Games. Popular. Featured, popular near you, recommended. This is where I like to go. Just recommended. Just go to things that I recommend. I play this game a lot. If I go to my home screen. Okay, I've been playing other games since Murder Mystery 2. Anyway, Murder Mystery 2. I find this game really. I quite like this game. I'll go show you some gameplay. Just saying, I probably will not be the murderer, but gameplay is gameplay, I guess. Why am I? Anyway, gameplay. Skipping life. Just skip life as soon as you're born. Nah, I want to skip life. Onto the afterlife. I like. Don't tell anyone this. Dead. Oh, okay. Where are you? Okay. What's in your inventory? A few cool ones. Okay. Inventory. Okay, you. I'm gonna trade with you. Okay, don't tell anyone that don't tell anyone that I just randomly trade with people. Come on, Insane Blue. Yeah. Jump up in the air. Jump up, don't be scared. Sorry, I'm kind of in love with Super Mario Odyssey. I absolutely love the game. It is like one of the best games in the galaxy. Have I ever said that? My voice has gone croaky. Don't kill me if you're the murderer. Oh gosh, no, you're not the murderer. Oh, sorry about that. That cough attack. Okay, Insane Blue, come on.